Hi everyone, so happy to be back in my workspace. So today, as you can see, I have a square canvas. I will be doing a puddle pour in my dustpan, and I have my canvas here on my turntable. So I will be pouring out of my dustpan. So I'll be painting with some Artist Loft white as well as some black. Also, my silver is from Artist Loft. And the colors I'll be using, I brought some colors back from my trip to see my family, some Politec here. It's like a nice aqua, a metallic aqua. I also have some metallic purple from Politec as well. And I'll be using two color shifts, some aqua flash and some purple flash from folk art. So also, oh yeah, my metallic silver from Artist Loft. So everything has water, Floetrol. I put silicone in all of my colors, so no silicone in my white and no silicone in my black. So here goes, hoping for some nice cells.